I recently snapped the pull cord on this mower, but it is an absolute pig of a job to do, as you will see in the video. Absolutely stupid that Briggs and Stratton rivet the pull cord down. Would have been a lot easier just to have had it bolted, but now we've got to take all this shroud out just so I can replace the pull start. Absolutely stupid system. $8mm socket. And doing the 3 8mm bolts on the top so we can take the cover off. Being careful not to disconnect the fuel pipe, which you can see at the bottom. Now remove the bolt that holds the oil dipstick and gently move it out of the way. Try not to disconnect anything. Place it to the side because we now need to remove the steel cover. Told you it was a pig of a job. Remove all the bolts so we can remove the steel cover to get to the pull start. I don't know why it was riveted down. It would have been a lot easier if it was just bolted down, so it could have just been unbolted to replace the pull start instead of going through everything in this video. I accidentally dropped the bolt down the side of the engine. That's why I'm using this little magnetic device to get the bolt back. Now we can finally remove the pull start so we can replace or repair the pull cord. Just burn the end of the rope to make it a lot easier to feed through, but be careful because obviously that's going to be hot. Just make sure you tie a nice secure knot so it doesn't come back through. I'm using the same pull cord as it was in good condition, apart from where it snapped right by the knot. Now simply wind the cord back up. Not too much on this mower anyway, because the pull cord goes halfway up the handle. Handy little tool to get bolts that have dropped on the side. Now we simply put everything back together, the opposite to how you took it apart. Just placing the pull cord back around the handle and hopefully everything is okay. Just placing the final few bolts in now. Now everything is okay, plenty of compression. Just placing the top cover back on and job done. Finally done, but what a pig of a job to do just to change your pull start. I don't know if the newer mowers are any better, as this is quite old, but like I said, it shouldn't be this difficult to change something that needs to be changed from time to time. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please leave a like if you liked the video or a dislike if you didn't, and please subscribe. Thank you.